Did you buy this Costco printer? Did it break on you like it did me? Well, stick around, see how I fix mine. Hello, welcome back to Weekend Warrior Workshop DIY. Today we're going to do a little project. Our printer broke and it stopped working. So here's the issue. So we have our printer tray here, and it has these little fins in the back, and they run into some sensors, and so the sensor's not sensing this is where it's supposed to be, therefore it's not printing. So we need to fix that. Now normally I would try JB Weld, and today I'm going to try something a little different. It's called CA glue. So it's very similar to most people know as super glue, and so I'm going to put this on. Make sure not to get it near your fingers because it's hard to get apart if you've ever worked with super glue. So I'm going to try not to touch it. The difference with this is I'm going to put it on the tip, I'm going to put it together, and then I'm going to spray this applicator on it, and it's going to instantly harden it. That way I don't have to worry about accidentally touching it and getting it on my fingers. So we're going to see if it's tough, and we'll give an update later on to see how well it did. And if it doesn't work, then we'll try the old JB Weld. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this and apply just a little bit to the tip. Now they do sell this in different thicknesses. This is the thick brand. They sell a thin, medium, thick, and a gel. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this back where it needs to go, just as if you would similar to super glue. And it's still a little tacky wet, so once I make sure that it's in the right spot, I'll spray a little tiny bit of this applicator and then the activator, and then we let it sit for a little bit, and it instantly hardens. And so we're going to see how this holds up. Alright, so now that we have successfully glued this back on, we're going to go install it back in the printer, and we're going to see if we have some success here. Success! Another honeydew project that I can check off the list. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you think it's worth sharing, share it with a friend. Have a wonderful day.